Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, be it you are new to this channel and you've not subscribed, I want you to click on the subscribe button, like, share, also follow us on Telegram, and do not forget to make your comments on this video. So make sure you follow us on Telegram. You will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section because there we'll be putting out one or two trade potential opportunity for you to watch out for and possible trade movements you should watch out for. So if you are not following us on Telegram, you will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So make sure you follow us on Telegram. Now let's take a look at GBPUSD. GBPUSD is literally on an uptrend move, like I've been saying it before, right? If you watch my analysis for the weekly time frame, or the weekly analysis for this GBPUSD, I told you guys that more bullish move will be expecting it because DXY will be falling. Now let's start with this movement here. Let's start with this as the highs first impulse move to the upside. This is the correction or the pullback. This is a new higher high. So you can see that this new higher highs took out the previous highs, right? Now, what do you see here? This is an higher lows. What can you see here? This is a new higher high. So you can see that this new higher highs took out this previous highs, right? Higher highs. It took it out the previous ones. Now, what do you see here? This is an higher lows. What can you see here again? A new higher highs that took out this previous higher high. So what is the market doing? Market is giving us a pullback. Personally, I think this pullback will drop to a level of 1.2500. Currently, we are trading at 1.25302. I think this GBPUSD will have to drop a bit, which is 1.25000. Within that level, then there could be another bullish move to the upside on GBPUSD. So GBPUSD is literally playing the pullback. Once the pullback is over, watch out for it. This is currently playing. The pullback is currently playing out. Once this pullback is over, then be expecting another impulse move to the upside. So above all, our bias on GBP USD is still to the upside. We'll be expecting a bullish move on GBP USD. So now do not forget to follow us on Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.